Hello, students. I'm giving you pointers for your midterm examination. You know that midterm and final get 15% each of the major exam. Midterm 15%, final 15%. So it's a big score that will affect your total grade. So I'm giving you pointers wherein it will help you to review for your examination this week. And this exam is 2 hours. And as I put here your name, ID, major, that is very important because whatever the problem later, then we can refer to the data went into my inbox. Okay, for the first part of the exam, part 1, this is vocabulary. So here are the list of the vocabulary from your books, the pages. So look at them and try to review. Okay, this is from page 10 and page 12. And part two of your exam is completing the sentences. And part 2 of your exam is completing the sentences, your grammar, your structure, and that you try to review once again the simple present, the simple continuous, the present continuous, and the past tense. Okay, the past tense that we studied, how to turn it into question using the was, were, or the did, or you try to put negative, the not, was not, were not, didn't. Okay, so and here it's included stative. Stative is that is unit 3 before your exam. I will teach you unit 3A, and you'll just try to listen and try to review. That is very easy. Here's as you say stative. Okay, just like the word think. When you say I think, it's like the word think. When you say think, that is your idea, your opinion, but you say thinking, that is okay, considering. Okay, I'm thinking of going to school. So you're planning, you're considering of doing something. Just like the word belong, you have it. So seldom that you have ing, belonging. Okay, loving, hating. Okay, seldom liking, seldom that you have the ing form. And if you have ing form, it has special meaning. Okay, part 3 is incomplete sentences using your adjectives. What are your adjectives? Your comparative, your preoptive, okay? And your superlative, ditisot, okay? So look at those and review also. Okay. And part 4 is the conversation. Review the conversation we made in the class. You had activity 2 by 2, so remember them. Okay, that is suggestion and respond. The nam and tupsanong. Okay, why don't you study, right? Or let's study, or how about studying? If you're Hinduay, then what to say? Let's study, let's go. Or you say, that's fine with me. And here, this is conversation 2, formal and informal. If you are introducing a person to somebody, sometimes you use formal language or informal language. Review that. We had already discussed and learned that one. And also, this is from the unit 3, and I'm going to teach you that one this week. So you say, I bet, What is that? Something that is most probably will happen, likely to happen. Okay, I bet you will get the good grade. If you study, then I bet you will get good grades this semester. Maybe, okay, less probably, okay, less likely to happen. Okay, you say, I doubt. The same thing. I doubt you fail this subject. Okay, maybe, perhaps, probably, and I bet it's most likely to happen. They're most likely to happen. You use these expressions, these words, if most probably just like 70%, 80%, 90%, the action will happen. But you say, I doubt, just like you have reason to believe that it will not happen. And you have reading comprehension. Okay, 3 passages you're going to read. The technique there is read properly. Read because you have enough time on this part. Read the questions properly as well. Okay, and choose the correct answer. What you should not do in reading is that you put your cell phone and translate everything. You will never learn. Here we have this subject, these working skills for your skills to grow up, not just to answer. Because once you will take your exit exam or the exam for, okay, a work later, you cannot bring your cell phone and just translate everything on the paper. So please practice. Patana na kanong. It's not just getting a good grade. It's growing. It's improving. So do not translate all the paragraph. Okay, and do not guess. Some students, you are lazy, very lazy. When you look at it as a lot of text, you just guess. Okay, do something in your midterm exam so it will help you pull up your grades and your self-confidence. Okay, do not guess. Make sure that you are confident that this is the answer because I understand the passage. And do not rely from your friends' answers. Your friends' answers, they also try to get, okay, try to answer correctly, but maybe you will do better than them. So believe in yourself that you can do it. Once you read it and understand it, okay, you can surely answer. And the last part of our test is writing. You must write. We often write, okay, every week. So read the instruction properly, how many paragraphs I'm asking, and write clear sentences. Make sure that your sentences, okay, have subject, verb, and object. And make sure also that your verb are on their correct forms. Like if you are using ing, make sure, okay, to put verb be whether verb be is art, present, or past tense. Okay, and if you are talking about a fact about yourself, then make sure they are in your simple present tense. Okay, and first is you're going to write about yourself. Don't copy from your friends because it's about yourself. And number 2 is about your health, your habits, and your lifestyle. The rule here is very simple. It's all about yourself. So don't copy from your friends. Write sentences about yourself. So all the best, everyone. I hope that you will get good grades, good results in your midterm exam.